Okay, all right. Not that hard. Hey, it's Tim and Jill, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. We just did a little Dukes of Hazzard in the GX 460. In this video, I'm going to tell you my 5 reasons why this is a great off-road rig, and it's totally undeserving underdog in the segment while she plays in the mud. I've already done this track, and she's clearly, you're having no fun at all.
It's a horrible day.
Okay, so yeah, don't hit that hard next time. All right, so this GX 460 is based basically on a 4Runner that is fancier, and the cool part about it is a couple things. First of all, it's short wheelbase like a 4Runner is, so you got plenty of ability to get through obstacles and things without much of a problem, so you're not gonna get stuck very often. I do have multi-train select modes. I have crawl control. We're in 4 low, by the way, which allows you to take off all the nannies. It's a really fun thing to drive in, and yeah, she's having a blast. So, multi-train select. I got crawl control. I got 4 low. I got comfort modes. You can drive different heights. You have air suspension built into this. Those are like 4 first key things. The second thing is you can take, actually the last thing, you take this and go to off-road shop, and you can put some tires on this, and you can get a little more clearance, and you also have cooled seats, which is a huge deal. We're in the Texas heat today, and I'm telling you, off-roading all day in the Texas heat, you're gonna want those cooled seats. And if you can, there's modifications you put in. You can put like a cooler in the back for cool drinks, and the bigger LX 570, a lot of people are buying as well, because you get the cooler box, which is important for cool drinks. Because after you talk a lot and off-road a lot, you get a little thirsty for something cold in the vehicle.
So what I want to say is well done, because I've been trying to mess you up. Yes,
I could see that that was your plan. It was an evil plan. So what do you think? I mean, you don't do a lot of off-roading, I know, but...
You know what? This is surprising. I would never think to take a Lexus off-road.
Right? I mean, I completely blew it. When I was reviewing this vehicle in a city, I thought this thing was terrible. Yeah. It doesn't drive nice. It doesn't have much luxury to it. It's thirsty. It's a big, it's a 4.6 liter V8 in this. Double check my numbers, but it's not a great vehicle overall. But when you off-road in it, it's a much better rig.
You know, it is really fun. We had a little the off-camber moguls, and you know, as long as you were going over it without being a jerk about it, it was almost like you were level, and you couldn't feel the vehicle tipping. So I mean, I don't know, I was pretty impressed with that. And the rock climb that we did up it was not a really steep incline, but a little bit of an incline. It was muddy because people have been out in the mud, and I thought it did really well. So again, when you think off-road, you think Land Rover, you think Jeep, you think maybe upcoming Bronco.
Right, right.
But you don't necessarily think Lexus. And so yeah, this is definitely a surprise and a pleasant one when you take it off-road. Yeah,
and so it's GX 460. It's often forgotten about. There's a rig I'll show you on camera where they modified it pretty good. And yeah, it is surprisingly capable, and something that's a total underdog in the segment. Yeah. So if you're looking for a used vehicle or a new vehicle to off-road and have some comfort in, I said the cooled seats are worth the money, worth the weight in gold when you're on like a long distance camping trip. What do they call it? Overlanding is the key word these days. Yes. Overlanding. Or if you're just out there in the desert playing around for the day, it's nice to sit in comfortable seats. I've been in cheap trucks off-roading, and that's not as much fun.
No, and I'm gonna say, like, if you're like me, even in the desert, you want the heated seats.
Okay. Hey, for more, check this video out over here. Website down below. As always, thanks for watching. We will see you down the road. I hope I'm gonna see you down the road. I plan on it, if she doesn't kill me.